Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I have a quick Google Drive tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to share files on Google Drive, and then we'll show you how to collaborate on those files, whether you want to work on a document together or just share a photo with someone else. It's really simple to do, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so I've actually gone ahead and logged into my Gmail account, and I've opened up two Gmail accounts here. So we're gonna actually share files from one Gmail account to the other Gmail account, and then we'll collaborate on them as well. So the first thing we need to do is actually load up our Google Drive here from the Gmail account. So we're gonna go up to the very top right-hand corner. You'll see the 9 little dots up there, and it says Google Apps. And if we left click on that, you should see Drive in here. You can go ahead and load up your Google Drive. There are other ways to get to Google Drive. I just find that the easiest. Now in here, I do have a document. It's a little text document here, or a Google Doc. And when I open that up, it just says this is a test. If you haven't loaded files into Google Drive before, it's really simple to do. You can actually just drag and drop them in here. That's my favorite way to do it. I have a photo here, so you can just drag it holding down the left mouse button and drop it in here. The blue box will show up and you just drop it in there and you can load other files in here. So I also now have a photo in here as well that we'll share that can be edited by the second account. Now there are a couple of ways that you can share these documents with someone else. So let's start out here and we're going to go ahead and right click on the document. So just right click on it and a menu is going to pop up and you should see the option here that says share. Just go ahead and left click on share. And it's going to pop up a little menu that looks something like this. And you can share this with people in a couple different ways. The first would be to type in their email address here. And the second would be to give someone a link. So we can go ahead and let's start out with the link. Right here it says restricted. If we left click on that, it says anyone with the link. So we can left click on anyone with the link. And it's going to allow us to copy a link right here. So if we left click on copy a link, it's going to copy that to our clipboard and we can share that. The other thing to keep an eye on here is how you're sharing that link. So there's viewer, there's commenter, and there's editor. So you want to make sure if you don't want people editing, you leave that on viewer if you're just sharing this document for people to look at. And with that link, you could actually very easily email it to someone. You could just paste that, Control V into your message and share that with people. Or you could just put it in a new tab and it should go straight to that document. So very easy to share that link with people. Now I don't actually want to, I'm going to go back here and just shut this. I don't actually want to share it with a link. I actually want to do the email address. So I'm going to go ahead and right here where it says anyone with the link, we're going to left click on that and go back to restricted. And up here, again at the top, it says add people and groups. And we can start typing in an email address here that we want to share this with. So I'm going to left click in there. And I've already got the email address here I want to share it with. I'll just start typing it in and I can left click on that. And it's going to allow me to notify them. So there's a little checkbox here that says notify people. We can also, again, choose whether they're an editor, commenter, or viewer. So I want to collaborate with this person on this document. So I'm going to leave it as editor, but you could change that if you like. You can also send them a message. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in hello in there. And then we're just going to go ahead and hit send. And it's going to send them an email that they can collaborate on that document. Now, you can do that from out here. If you actually have the document open like this, you can go to File in the top left-hand corner and share with others. And it would take you to the same place as well. So you can do it right from the document as well. Now, if I want to do the same thing with the photo, again, I'm going to right click on it, go to share, and we're just going to type in their email address here. And we're just going to hit send. So now the second email address or Google Drive account should have access to these documents. So let's jump over there. And right here, if we click on that, you can see that 2 emails showed up. The first one is this is a test, and it's going to give us a little preview of that. We can left click on it and open it, or we can have a look and left click on open the photo that we sent as well. So there's a couple ways you can see it there, or we can go again up to the 9 dots in the top right hand corner, left click on it and go to our drive. and we should see them showing up here. They're in the suggested section. And if you're not seeing them there, on the left-hand side, there is the option that says shared with me. You can go ahead and left click on shared with me, and those documents will show up in there. So let's go ahead and open up the test here, and we'll work on this one. And it says this is a test. Let's go ahead and type in something here. As the second person, we could say, awesome. This looks great. And if I jump back over to the document in the first drive, let's open this up here. You can see that that showed up in there right away. And the cool thing is you can see two cursors there. There's one here and there's one right here. You can see where the person you're working with is working and where their cursor is. And I could just go ahead and type in great. And that'll show up in the second document right away as well. I use this all the time on a weekly basis when I collaborate on documents with someone I work with on projects. It works great. We just get on a voice call and talk out our documents and prepare them. So it's really handy that way for collaborating on documents here in Google Drive. Now, once you're done your document, you can easily remove access for people. So let's go ahead and close out on this. And what I'm going to do is go back to the drive, the initial drive here. And what we want to do is to remove access, just go ahead and right click on it, go to share. And right here where their email address is, it says editor for myself here, just left click on that. And at the bottom now it says remove access. So I can left click on remove access and hit save, and it's going to remove access for that one for them. And the same thing with the document here. We're just going to right click on it, share, and go to where it says editor there and remove access and save. Now, when I jump back over to the second email address here, we'll go up to the drive and those documents are gone. And in the shared with me section, they're gone as well. And it's really that simple to share files on Google Drive and collaborate on projects or documents with your friends or coworkers. So I hope this tutorial helped you share files on Google Drive and collaborate on projects with your friends. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.